Hey, what's up? So I wasn't gonna make this video, but I'm out in the garage and I'm gonna apply my Autotune logs from VIR Monday. And I know that I've had questions and asked for clarity, and I'm just gonna go over my process here. It's gonna be quick on the fly. Hopefully you don't get too bored, but I'm just gonna go over it real quick and just give you a quick background. So what I did is I've basically taken off the back, I plugged into the log box, and this is as if I was at the track or I'm gonna apply the logs. I have looked at them, but it was real brief. So I copied the logs from the log box to a folder on my desktop, and that's just because it's quicker and I'll have them to save for later. But then I went through and I deleted all the logs that I knew were not applicable. So I had 5 for the day. I ran 7 sessions. 2 of them were on my ZX6. So these 5 make sense in order. Hopefully I'll get this time figured out. But so I did that. And then the next thing I did, since it was a new computer, rather than talk about these, because I do have another video, I'm just going to show you what my Autotune settings are. This particular bike, Gen 4 ZX10. I set these today prior to. Okay, so to get to this point, I opened log file, I chose the 5 logs here, and then I opened them. All right, and then it takes a little bit of time, and you'll see it populate here according to your settings that you have. This is my TPS, my target AFR, logged AFR, and this is due to that 30% blending as well. You'll kind of see the path. Now, this is what I was interested in seeing, is how the airbox mod affected AFR. And you can see that it leaned me out at 76, but at 100%, I'm still a little rich. But I did very little time at 100%, so that's encouraging, but I didn't expect huge gains anyway. But so these are my TPS. I'm going to go to the Autotune map just to make this quick. I am going to apply this Autotune because yes, this is what I want to do. Real quick on show original map. All right, same with IAP. All right, so now we have my IAP map, same thing. I am just going to apply the Autotune, hit OK. I may look at this later, but I'm pretty comfortable with the changes. This is what I see. Now I will do a file, save as. I will name this something I recognize, VIR North 3-29-21. I'm not going to go through the flashing, but pretty much if I was going to flash it, I'd set it up. If you want to see a video on actually flashing it, I'll go ahead and make that. But yes, this is just my process for applying Autotune.